This is Eric D. Sharp, and in this video we're going to have a look at the Sony 20mm f2.8 as well as the ultra-wide converter. Goes on top of the 20mm. Let's have a look. So here's what the 20mm looks like. It's called a pancake lens for a reason. It is very small. Very small when it's on the camera. Looks like the front of it, the back of it. Now, there's a lens hood that comes with it. Because it's a wide angle, you want to keep it low profile. This is what it looks like with it. So here's the ultra wide angle adapter. It actually comes in a little pouch. Here's the back of it. There's the front of it. This is already attached. So you attach it this way. You light up the red lines. Give it a click. There you go. And to release it, here's the release button there. Well, so let's see what kind of pictures this takes.